When a crisis situation presents itself to an organisation, it can be an extremely stressful and unsettling time for the business and its employees, not only in respect of the immediate aftermath, but also the longer-term implications that may arise as a result. This includes the amount of business time in managing the crisis scenario, which can take months or even years in the most serious cases, and will involve employee and senior management time. The ability for organisations to carry on its activities may be a challenge. Any ongoing investigation may inhibit business operations through the prohibition of, for example, the use of machinery or working practices. And employees may be personally affected, which may lead to an increase in people taking time off work and affect production levels. In high-profile incidents, the media are likely to take an interest, and I think it's important to be aware of any other contractual issues or concerns that may arise with third parties, as well as other civil claims such as those in respect of personal injuries. It's therefore vitally important to manage any crisis scenario effectively from the outset and ensure a plan and a support structure is in place, especially as it can feel like there is a lot to deal with all at once. This is by no means an exhaustive list, but as a starting point, I would suggest the following is actioned in the event of a crisis. Identify which regulators are involved through liaising with your legal team if necessary. Who is in charge and what their investigatory powers are, as this will help manage the regulator's approach and liaison with them so that legal risk can be identified. Ensuring that those people on the ground, the first responders to an incident, know what to do in that scenario and who they can contact for more support should it be needed. Giving specific training on this issue can be extremely helpful. Set up a core team of people who will coordinate and manage the internal investigation under legal privilege. This should include senior decision makers and someone from your legal team. Liaise with your HR and occupational health teams to identify and put in place any counselling support that's required for your employees. They can also assist with any disciplinary hearings. And consider whether you need to bring on board your comms team or liaise with an external provider on this issue in order to assist with any media coverage and response. Hopefully this provides a useful overview on how to manage a crisis scenario effectively, but if you would like some more information then please feel free to get in touch.